Have you ever gotten this media offline and you're not sure why? Well, one reason could very well be the video codec here. If you can see, this video is H.265, and as it turns out, the tool I use with the license I have requires me to use H.264. And sometimes that gets changed or recorded in H.265 and I need it in H.264. Let me show you how to resolve this. There's a free tool called Handbrake. Go ahead and find your folder. So once you select your folder, then you will have your videos here. I have 3 videos that need to be converted. I have a preset that I have created. Let me walk you through what changes I have. I make sure it's an MP4 format. Align AV start. You can change the resolution here, aspect ratio, stuff like that. Then here in the video section, you want to make sure the video encoder is H.264. So that's going to change your H.265 videos now to H.264. Set the frame rate as you wish. Now add all to the queue. I already added them, so I'm going to skip. If you start the queue, I'm just going to look and see where these are being saved. All right, that's fine. Go ahead and start the queue. That's going to convert your videos. Handbrake is a super nifty free tool. Okay, so it's done. So now we should have 3 in here. Boom, these 3. When we come back over here and we refresh, you can see now we can see the 3 videos. We can get rid of these 3, remove selected clips, and add these 3. Add into media pool. Don't change. Bada boom, bada bing.